Craving something warm, healthy and full of flavor? This coconut salmon curry is pure comfort in every bite. Let's marinate this salmon in olive oil, salt, black pepper, paprika, cumin and garlic. Mix it up and let it sit there for 15 minutes so those spices do their magic. For the coconut curry base, I started with coconut oil, orange turmeric, onions, scallion and garlic, then added tomatoes, spinach and spices, turmeric, cumin powder, chili flakes, garam masala powder and salt. Poured in organic non-fat coconut milk and let it simmer for 15 minutes. You can add coconut cream if you like the heavy gravy. For the rice, I heated coconut oil, sesame seeds, added jasmine rice, salt and gave it a stir. Cook until fluffy. I placed the marinade salmon into the hot pan, skin side down first, let it sear until golden and crisp, then gently flip it to cook until other side. For the plating, I start with a bed of fluffy jasmine rice, place the salmon gently on top, then pour the rich coconut curry over it, finish with the scallions and fresh cilantro for the perfect touch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves cozy, healthy meals. Drop a comment below if you tried. I would love to hear how it turned out.